clock on the tower to the left? Okay. When the tower was placed there, it was the only high building in the area. So many people comes and goes up to see a fantastic view of downtown. Nowadays, if you go up on the tower, you will see a fantastic view of other buildings, but no more panoramics.
How late are banks open?
Banks opens from 10 to 3. And then they are all open for ATM machines 24 hours a day. You have 2 banks in front of the hotel for ATM machine, just across the street. Very easy. You also have a very nice drugstore in front of the hotel, which is called Pharma City. It's open 24 hours, and you can buy the groceries, you can buy water, you can buy medicines, shampoo, whatever.